In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your blog on Kajabi in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an experienced digital creator looking to enhance your content or a beginner eager to explore this versatile platform, I'll be your guide through the process. Let's jump right into it and get your blog up and running smoothly. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to kajabi.com. Once you're there, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. That's where you'll find the login option. Go ahead and click on it. Now you can log in using either your email or your Google account, whichever you prefer. This will take you into your Kajabi admin panel, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the website section on the left side, and from there select Pages. This is where you'll organize your blog structure. In the Pages section, you'll see a button labeled New Website Page. Click on that to create a space specifically for your blog content. You can name this page whatever you like. For simplicity, let's go with something straightforward like articles. After you've created your page, you'll want to customize it to fit your vision. Click on Customize Page. This action will take you into the page editor, where you can tweak the design and layout to match your brand's aesthetic. Spend some time here to make sure everything looks just right. Now let's switch gears and navigate to the blog tab under the website section of your dashboard. This is your blog's home base on Kajabi, and it's where all the action happens. Once you're in the blog section, you'll notice a button that says plus new blog post. Click on it to start crafting your first post. It's time to get creative, write your content, add any images or media you think are necessary to enhance your message, and be sure to customize your blog post's SEO and sharing settings. These settings ensure your post reaches the right audience and performs well in search engines, which is crucial for growing your blog's visibility. Finally, when you're satisfied with your post, you have the option to either publish it immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. Scheduling is a great feature if you prefer to be ahead of your content game or if you have a series of posts planned out. And there you have it. Your blog on Kajabi is all set up and ready to go. You've successfully created a digital space to share your ideas, stories, and expertise with the world. Thanks so much for following along with this tutorial. I look forward to seeing the amazing blogs you create. Stay creative, and until next time, happy blogging!